Let's go.
Let's go.
This isn't
You guys want to go to the beach?
We gotta at least get to the beach. Come on. Come on, let's at least get to the beach.
Yeah.
I'll hold your kitty open for you, okay? Okay, Mommy will hold it for you. Ready? Let's go. I'm gonna help you hold it. Let's go.
Mama.
Hold on to it and walk.
Mama.
Good. No, you have to hold on to it and walk. Come on. Okay, I don't think it's gonna work.
I don't think we're going to get to the beach for owners only.
Let's go home.
Well, if this isn't going to work, where do you guys want to go instead? Let's go back.
Wait. Can we say that again? Say that again.
Hey, you guys.
Come here. Oh, sorry. Hey guys, come here.